René Descartes, March 31st, 1596, February 11th, 1650. René Descartes was a French philosopher, mathematician, and naturalist, one of the founders of New Age philosophy. Josephine de Beauharnais, June 23, 1763, May 29, 1814. Josephine de Beauharnais, Empress of France from 1804 to 1805, 1809, the first wife of Napoleon I. Johann Kepler, December 27, 1571, November 15, 1630. Johannes Kepler was a German mathematician, astronomer, mechanic, optician, discoverer of the laws of motion of the planets of the solar system. Maria Letizia Ramolino, August 24, 1750, February 2, 1836. Marie Letizia Ramolino was the mother of Napoleon I Bonaparte, who bore the title Madam Mother of the Emperor. Christopher Wren, October 20th, 1632, February 25th, 1723. Sir Christopher Wren was an English mathematician, physical scientist, astronomer, geometer, and anatomist, and architect. Isabella I, Queen of Castile, April 22, 1451, November 26, 1504. Isabella I of Castile was the wife of Ferdinand II of Aragon, whose dynastic marriage initiated the unification of Spain into a single state. Richard III, October 2nd, 1452, August 22nd, 1485. Richard III, King of England from 1483 from the York dynasty, the last representative of the male line of Plantagenets on the English throne. He died in battle. Isabella of Portugal, October 24, 1503, May 1, 1539. Isabella of Portugal, Empress of the Holy Roman Empire, wife of Emperor Charles VI. Leucippus, 500 BC, 440 BC. Leucippus was an ancient Greek philosopher, one of the founders of atomistics, the teacher of Democritus. Margaret of York, May 3rd, 1446, November 23rd, 1503. Margaret of York, in marriage and widowhood known as Margaret of Burgundy, daughter of the Duke of York, sister of Kings Edward IV and Richard III of England. Manuel I, 1469, December 13, 1521. Manuel Furniture the Happy was the fifth king of Portugal of the Avis dynasty from October 25, 1521, 1495. Juana the French Monarcher, November 6, 1479, April 12, 1555. Juana the Her of Castile, nicknamed Mad, the wife of Duke Philip the Beautiful of Burgundy. After his death, she is believed to have gone mad and was imprisoned in a convent.